welcome to Burton College. This afternoon I'm going to be demonstrating a nice lamb dish. So simply roasted lamb cutlets, which is Bishop Burton lamb. Again, this time of year we associate lamb with the Easter period, springtime. So I'm just going to simply roast the lamb, drizzle a bit of oil over it, a bit of seasoning, and roast it in the oven. You can pan fry it if you wish on your stove. We've got some good ovens that have a pan fried setting, so I'm able to do that. And I'm just going to serve that with a nice light salad of some nice spring greens, some green beans, some petit pois, some small peas. I've got some radishes to go into that. And then I'm going to make a bit of a different pesto using some fresh mint, some feta cheese. Got some toasted almonds. And by toasting, I've just roasted them in the oven, just to take on a little bit of colour. The smell is amazing off these at the minute. And then I've also got some rocket as well to go into the pesto as well. So as I say, we're going to start off with roasting the lamb. Now it's important that you bring your lamb up to room temperature, so let it rest on the side for about 15-20 minutes prior to cooking. I've just patted that dry with some kitchen roll, just to absorb any moisture. And so I'm just going to drizzle that with a little bit of olive oil.